front of me is Realme 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to access Privacy section. Scroll down again to tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features to manage, like camera. Then pick one of your apps and apply one of the available options. Camera access for this app allow only while using the app, as every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can also select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage, and after tapping on it, scroll down to select See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then operate all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!